Ay, hello, Oliver pa. So, namang AI near mention. So, basically doing design, automation, workflows, businesses can be easy their businesses and see and easier for us. So, for now, we are going to talk about magagawa ako ng design for the website of my one friend business. So this is the Danbang Coffee. So basically, uh, the business is coffee shop, San Juanico. So it's my friend of mine. Kilala ko businesses in PN. So yung group na sa so for now, I'm helping RJ, the owner, I helping him design his uh, website. So help for build site. So sa build site, it's a skill for the cloud. Uh, for my tech stack is a cloud code, topic, yan. So, gagawin ko na yung is um, and so we're using a cable pipe uh, um, station. And actually, haba yung process na to, ano na. Yun. So, in details, so done ano na, na-build na ang ano, also the, wow, si ito. So, ano, ginawa din yung website, Danbang. Um, so, yan, one of the my project. So, tingnan natin, tapos direct na natin sa website. Boom, ito na. Yung sa website. Kinuha niya ito, yung link ito. So, kaibigan natin dito sa and yung lang sa kinuha niya branding. So, kasi meron may mga ganito akong site. And hindi lang ito ginawa ko. So, sa mga na-already, hydrophile. So, yung hydrophile is wala siyang website. So, ginawa ko siya. Very simple na website. It's very clean. Aesthetic. Katulad ng hydrophile aesthetic para sa web. So, you have anything like this to this na to. You have Facebook and YouTube. I post all the requirements and share the information what you need to know in code and other AI like Gemini, GPT-5, pero mas marami focus ko in this and then automation kasi yun lang. So